Welcome back to Rosa's Beauty Fashion and happy holidays. Okay, I know Christmas is over and I hope everybody had a blessed, safe Christmas and had fun with family and friends. And yeah, and I'm wearing my hat, my little glam hat, because it's still holiday season, right? Yeah, so New Year's is coming up and I want to wish everybody a happy New Year's too, okay? And I want to say thank you for everybody that has clicked on this video and is going to be watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all your comments, all your support, and all your love. Okay, so we're going to get on to this, okay? Oh, and my shirt matches my glam little Santa hat. Okay, so let's get on to this. Okay, now as you've seen in the title, okay, so I purchased some stuff from Jeffree Star, okay, which all of you know about Jeffree Star, I'm sure, okay, from his website. He had a Black Friday sale, okay, and I would have done it sooner, but I did get two things for my daughter, and, you know, I put it in her stocking, so that's why, you know, but I did want to get this up before New Year's, okay, so yeah, so here's the box, okay. Yeah, so I actually got 7 items, okay, 2 for my daughter and 5 for myself. So I'm actually going to do swatches. Swatches will probably be at the end, okay? Swatches and a try on, okay? And I'll put all the names down here, okay, just in case you want to get them. But they were $18, guys, okay? And they were on sale for $8, okay, for Black Friday. So I had to jump on it, okay? Because I do love Jeffree Star. Matter of fact, today, now I didn't get this one. This is the one I had, okay? Jeffree Star Androgyny, okay? A lot of people know about this. This is not a, you know, real new one. I mean, a lot of people know. I absolutely love it. You know, it's very, very nice. His lippies, now remember, you can wear them on your lips or you can also wear them as eyeshadows, okay? Yeah, you can do that. So, and they're a matte, they dry matte. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, they can be a little bit drying, you know, but you know, sometimes I wear a little shine or something over them, sometimes, unless I just like the matte look, you know, so, but you know, I used to buy a lot of Kat Von D too, which I still do. I have a whole collection. I like Fenty Beauty. There's a lot of stuff I like. But anyways, we're concentrating on Jeffree Star today, okay? So, I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, I'm gonna just open the box real quick and show you, and then like I said, I'm gonna do try-ons, okay? And the 2 that I got my daughter, the one, okay, one of them we got the same, I got her one of the same ones as me, okay, with mine, okay? So yeah, so I won't try hers on, I'll try mine on, okay? And then I did ask her, you know, if I could try the one on of hers, you know, I said, I'm like, she's like, Mom, you don't have, you know, nothing on your lips. I know you're clean and stuff. But, you know, I just don't like to try on her stuff. You know what I mean? But she said, Mom, go ahead because it's gorgeous. Okay. All right. So here's the box. And I put duct tape over, you know, the addresses and stuff like that. So, yeah, I was very excited to get this. Now, he does do Black Friday sale almost every year that I know of. Okay. So you open the box up. Jeffree Star is silly. Okay. Everybody knows Jeffree Star is silly. Now, one of the lippies I bought is a little bit of a nasty name because a lot of his products, you know, he names nasty. He's a bad little boy, okay? Okay, so yeah, so, you know, when I put the names down here for that one name, I just put the first letter and the last one and put some stars in between, and you guys can figure it out. Okay, because, you know, I don't want to really do that, you know, so. All right, so here, as I open it up, okay, here's the box. Jeffree Star Skin, right? And here's a picture of him. He is nuts, right? And then he had, oh my gosh, I can't with him, really. I mean, he's got amazing products. So, I mean, all his stuff is amazing. But yeah, so that is him, you know, her, him. So, okay, and then there's the pink tissue paper. Okay. Open this up. It's always packaged nice, you know. Okay, so this is the stuff I got right here. These two over here are my daughter's, and these are mine. I got 3 lippies, and I actually got a lip liner and a gloss too. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna open them up real quick, and then I'm gonna do the try on. Okay, just so you can kind of see, you know. And like I said, I will put the names when I do the try on, you know. So because yeah, so you guys can see them, you know, in case you want to go buy them. But like I said, they're not on sale anymore. So, all right, this is my daughter's. I'm not going to put the name right now, but these are the gloss. These are, it says just the gloss on it. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. When I seen the lavender purple, you know, I had to give it, you know, get it for her because you know how much she loves lavender. A lot of you have been with me a while know that she love it. So, yeah, and here's the wand. It's not a doe foot applicator though. It's just a wand. Okay, so that is hers, which I will be trying on. It's gorgeous. It's like a metallic. It's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous, okay? And then, okay, the other one that she has is like mine, okay? And I'm not gonna try this one of hers on, but I will try mine on now. And like I said, put the names down there. But hers was it was a red. It was the same thing as mine. This is weird. Okay, yeah, it was the exact same thing as mine. But, you know, okay, the reason why I got this was because when I looked on a site, okay, excuse me, oh my gosh. When I looked on a site, it was a red with a sparkle, okay? And, you know, I love sparkle, okay? I love glam. So that's why I got it. But to be honest, when she tried it on Christmas Day, it didn't look like it had a lot of sparkle in it. So we'll see when I try it on. So yeah, so those are her two, okay? So this one I'm going to put away because, like I said, I'm not going to try hers on. I'm not going to try the red one on. Okay, so that. Okay, then mine, I'll show you real quick. Let me see if I got my thing here. Because it's quicker to open it up. Because you know I got these nails going on. Love my holiday nails, guys. Yeah, I just, you know, I'm just, my outfit today is casual. You know, when I do these videos, I kind of look, you know, I like to look a little casual, but, you know, then I have a little sexy too going on. You know me, right? Okay, so this one is a gloss 2, okay? This is, let me see. Yeah, it just says a gloss, okay? I just want to make sure. But like I said, when I try them on, the names will be down here, okay? And these were $8 too. The glosses were $8 too. So, yeah, every year, guys, you know, he doesn't have sales that much. So, and this is a beautiful, because sometimes, like I said, I like to put some over my lippies because I just don't like my lips to look dry or I mean, they're never chapped or dry, but I'm just saying, you know. But this is it too, you know, it's not. But at the end, okay, I will do swatches too. At the end, you will see swatches and these, okay? So you can see them on, you can see swatches, okay? So yeah, okay, and then I got a lip liner. Hey, no cork. Guys, I have so many lip liners, and I actually have to go through them because a lot of them are dried out and stuff. I got to go through a lot of my stuff, and I might do some stuff online. I got a lot of stuff coming up for the new year, actually. I got a lot of new stuff coming up, so if I can get it out, oh my gosh. I hate when you have to take time to try to get the boxing open, you know. That's what takes too much time in the video. All right, so here's the lip liner, guy. Look at the packaging, right? Oh my gosh, I love his packaging. Oh my gosh, it's just so, and there is a lip liner, okay? So that's that. And then I got 3 more. Okay, like I said, I have one, I already showed you that me and my daughter both have. Like I said, I'm not going to say the names. Let me get my glasses on again. Guys, I'm just blind without my glasses. So, yeah. I really wanted to get this video done, you know. Yeah, this was the one like my daughter. So I'm put that to the side. And then I got 2 other ones. Okay, I'm just going to say the lip liner was Gemini, okay? And I did get the Gemini lippy too. I didn't want to say, but I was going to put them down there, but I just wanted to tell you that real quick. So I do love Gemini. I had it before, and at the very end, I will put my whole collection. I don't have that much. I think I have 6 more Jeffree Stars, and I did have other ones, but I used them up, or they got a little dry at the total end, so I don't have any more, but this is Gemini. Absolutely love this. I had this one before, so I love it. He has so many, okay? So many. It's hard to pick. And he does have the doe foot applicator. And like I said, you can use them for lippies or eyeshadows, okay? And then this is the last one. This was a bad name one. I'm not even going to say it, but it's gorgeous, okay? Look at that. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch it now, but you will see it on my lips, and you will see a swatch of it at the end, okay? So I will put pictures at the end, and then at the final end, I will put my whole collection. You know, I will put new, this, and then old, okay? All right, guys, so that is it. And I probably won't be back on before New Year's. I don't know. I might show my New Year's Eve outfit. I'm not sure what we're even doing yet. Everything's coming so fast. Christmas came fast. New Year's is coming fast. Boom, 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 you know? So, all right, guys. So, yeah. So, like I said, I have a casual outfit on today. You know, I have the very cobalt blue, trendy, you know, blue that's all over, you know, that's trending right now. Like I always tell you, my fashion is always about a trend, okay? But that's not what this video is about. So I always say that. I try to, you know, keep it to what the video is about. I don't want to go off so much, but, you know, you got to say a few things, okay? All right, so that's it. Like I said, everybody, if I don't come back on before, have a safe and happy New Year's. I love you all so much. And like I said, thank you for supporting my page. Thank you for the beautiful comments. I love each and every one of you so, so, so much. And if you support me, I will support you. Okay. All right. So I will see you all in my next video. All right. So you ready to get this try on started? Yeah. I'm not going to talk, so just be music. All right. So let's do this. Are you ready? Bam. Bye-bye.
Let's do it. Can make it dance if you want me to. Can make it dance, 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 dance. I know the world's in a real bad way. I can make it dance if you want me to. But I can make it better. Let me show you what it takes, baby. I can make it dance if you want me to. Now everybody find you, show the picture, wanna move. It's controlled by Roger and it's right here in the sugar. I can make it dance if you want me to. Now I can set you free from your trouble mind, baby. I can make it dance if you want me to. Just give me your ears and let your feet time, baby. I can make it dance if you want me to. And here's what you find about this music. Make you
I wanted to come back real quick and give you my honest opinion, okay? I love them all. Okay, I think they're great. The only thing, I was only disappointed in one, which is the grand finale one, the red one that I put on. I love it, it's gorgeous, but it didn't have the sparkles in it as it showed on the site. And that's why I got it, because I have a ton of red lippies, guys, because I love red, but I got it because, like I said, it showed a shimmer, showed more sparkles on the site. I got me one and my daughter one. So I just wanted to come back and share that with you real quick, but they're still amazing. All his products are amazing, so I just wanted to say that real quick. Okay, so now stay tuned for the swatches, and I don't know if I'm putting the photo shoot at the beginning or the end. You know me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a safe and blessed New Year's, like I said before. Bye-bye.
I can make it better.